वेलकम गाइस टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग हब विद अनीता। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं लास्ट टॉपिक हमारे बायोमोलिक्यूल्स का, दैट इज न्यूक्लिक एसिड। सो व्हाट इज न्यूक्लिक एसिड? न्यूक्लिक एसिड इज अ बायोमोलिक्यूल विच इज फाउंड इन अवर न्यूक्लियस। न्यूक्लिक एसिड आर बेसिकली ऑफ टू टाइप्स, that is RNA and DNA. What is DNA? Full form deoxyribonucleic acid. And RNA is ribonucleic acid. Okay, so both are the nucleic acids which are found in DNA, which are found in nucleus. RNA also found in the cytoplasm. DNA is found only in the nucleus. So what is the major difference between this? DNA and RNA both are made up of nitrogen bases plus pentose sugar, which is a monosaccharide sugar, plus phosphate group. So nitrogen base, pentose sugar and phosphate group forms nucleotides, which are the basic unit of this nucleic acid, either DNA और RNA. तो बेसिक यूनिट है न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स इनका मोनोमर है जिससे पॉलीमर बना है आइदर डीएनए और आरएनए. सो इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है डीएनए और आरएनए में? सो नाइट्रोजन बेस के बारे में अगर हम देखेंगे तो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन बेसिस, प्यूरिन्स एंड pyrimidines. Purines are the nitrogen bases which are having two ring structure. One is 6 carbon, other is 5 carbon. Pyrimidine is a nitrogen base having a single ring structure. Purine includes adenine and guanine, whereas pyrimidines include cytosine, thymine and uracil. So purines are of two types, pyrimidines are of three types. These are the 5 types of nitrogen bases. But in DNA there are only 4 types of nitrogen bases present, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, whereas the uracil is not there in DNA. The pentose sugar which is present in the DNA is deoxyribose sugar. It is a 5 carbon monosaccharide ribose sugar which is having one oxygen group absent in the second carbon of this sugar molecule and the phosphate group. Whereas if we are going to see about the ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, it is again having 4 types of nucleotides, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil, whereas thymine is absent in this RNA. It is having the sugar called as ribose sugar and the presence of phosphate group. These are two major difference between the DNA and RNA. DNA. Okay, one more thing I want to tell here, that is there was a complementary pairing between these nitrogen base pairs in the DNA. That is adenine will always pair with thymidine in DNA, forming two double bond which is a weak hydrogen bonds, whereas guanine is pairing with cytosine, whereas also the cytosine will pair with guanine with 3 nitrogen bases. That is guanine will pair with cytosine, cytosine will pair with guanine, adenine will pair with thymine and thymine will pair with adenine. Okay, so DNA, this is the nucleotide and the structure of DNA is double stranded antiparallel structure forming the complementary base pairings. This nucleotide, one nucleotide join with other nucleotide join with further different nucleotides and forming a long chain of polynucleotide. One polynucleotide will be in 5' to 3' direction, whereas the other will be in 3' to 5' direction. In this way they are forming the antiparallel structures and forming a DNA molecule. Okay, RNA. If you are going to see about RNA, so RNA are of 3 types. that is mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. Okay, so mRNA is a messenger RNA which is found in the cytoplasm, which carries the message from the DNA and helps them for carrying the transcription to form the protein. rRNA is a ribosomal RNA which is present within the ribosome, which provides a surface for carrying out the translation. tRNA is transfer RNA which brings about the amino acid so as to carry out the translation. It is having the anticodon on it, which is having the codon on mRNA. Okay, so this is about the types of RNA. Both DNA and RNA are the nucleic acids. They are here. DNA is the genetic material in all the organisms, but RNA acts as a genetic material in viruses. In some viruses, RNA are genetic material, whereas in some viruses, DNA is genetic material. But if we are going to see all other living organisms from bacteria to human beings, there is a DNA acting as a genetic material. Okay, so this is about the nucleic acid. Hope so you understand these topics and you like this video. So keep watching and share and subscribe. Thank you guys.